If you have connected your Bluetooth speaker or headphones to your Lenovo PC, but you hear no sound, here is what you can do. Start by checking your Bluetooth device. Make sure the battery is full. Power it off and power it on again. Also, make sure your Bluetooth device and your Lenovo PC are in range with no physical obstacle between them. Then, run the Troubleshooter tool on your PC. Open the settings, then click Update and Security, Troubleshoot. Under Find and Fix Other Problems, select Bluetooth. Run the troubleshooter, then follow the instructions to complete the process. Make sure the audio output signal is sent to your Bluetooth device. Click Start, then select Settings, System, Sound. Under Choose Your Output Device, select your Bluetooth device. If it still does not work, go ahead and pair your Bluetooth device to your PC again. First, make sure the Bluetooth function on your Lenovo PC is open and is discoverable. Click the Start button, then select Settings, Devices, Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If it is on already, turn it off for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Scroll down the list and select More Bluetooth options to open the Bluetooth settings window. On the Options tab, check Allow the PC to be discoverable by other devices. Now you can unpair your Bluetooth device and pair it again to your PC. Click Start, then select Settings, Devices, Bluetooth and other devices. Under Bluetooth, select your device and then select Remove Device. If your device has a pairing button, press it for about 10 seconds. Then on your PC, go to Settings, Devices, Bluetooth and other devices. Click Add Bluetooth or other device, then choose Bluetooth. When you see the Bluetooth devices listed, select your device and follow the instructions. If pairing to your Bluetooth device fails, check that no other device is trying to connect to it at the same time. You can also try restarting the Bluetooth support service in Windows 10. Type Service in the search bar and open the service window. Find Bluetooth Support Service. Right-click and then choose Restart. After doing this, right-click again, choose Properties, and make sure the startup type is set to Automatic. Last, you can try installing the latest Bluetooth drivers from the Lenovo support website, support.lenovo.com. Type your machine name in the search bar or click Detect Your Product to let the website auto-scan your machine. In the product homepage, ensure that you choose the right OS version. Then click Drivers and Software, Bluetooth modem, and download and install the driver. Restart your PC to check whether Bluetooth works properly.